Have you ever made bread in your slow cooker? I'm starting with some bread flour. To that, I'm adding some salt and a half a teaspoon of yeast. Give that a whisk. And then 1 1/3 cup of warm water. Just mix it up and it's just that easy. We're gonna leave this set on a kitchen towel overnight. And just like magic, I've got the risen dough. I'm gonna sprinkle my surface with some flour. Just work it several times, just kind of stretching and kneading it. Then we're gonna form it into a round loaf. Then we're just gonna put it in our slow cooker. It's gonna take about 2 hours. Bada boom, bada bread. You might be like, I wish it was more golden brown, until you flip it over and it's perfect. Hot, steamy slice of bread, tender and moist on the inside, crispy on the outside. Perfect bite of bread. Who knew you could make bread this good in the crock pot?